Hello there. So today I'm gonna show you how you can create your own Telegram bot using JavaScript, Cloudflare, and Podfather. So I'm making this video because I really wished videos like this existed when I first started building my Telegram bot. If you want to help this video, smash that like button so that the algorithm push it out. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Okay, so you will head to cloudflare.com and then log in with your account, with your Google account, or you can create an email there. So when you come to build, it will redirect you to this page. So when you come to build, you will find compute and AI, then workers and pages. After that, you will say create application right here, and there are many options you can start to ship from here. So we are going with start with hello world. So we are building inside the hosting platform because it will be easier for you. If you want the code, you can put it after you finish doing it on your GitHub, or if you want to share it, or if you want to save it or something like that. So you will deploy your first project and it will give you just a default. And so this is your worker, so you will say edit code, and then your worker name is something like this one. So you do have an event listener. So this is a default script that the worker will give you. For our purpose, we changed it a little bit right here. So this is a default, and without this, your worker don't do anything because this is an event listener. It will accept for requests to come, and that's what's all about this part of the code. So we do have a fetch function right here, and it is an async function that we are telling JavaScript this will take time. The fetch function will take time, and we do have request that is coming from Telegram. So when that request comes from Telegram, you will await for that request, and we are waiting for that request. When that request come from Telegram as a JSON, we will save it as an update right here. Then we will wait for process update to be executed later, and we already saved the update right here, so we are awaiting for process update. We didn't done anything yet. So first thing first, we need to put the Telegram bot token to make it talk to each other with the worker. So we will have, you can give it any name you want. I will just say it bot token. So we will head to Telegram and bring our bot token. So we are on so we will go to bot father, and let's create a new bot and give it a name. What name do we give it? Like, can you say Elon Musk, because he's gonna be the first trillionaire, right? He's now on $800 billion. Okay, Elon Musk. Okay, so we have our link, and here is the token. So let's get back to our worker and paste it right here to make it things fast. So then we didn't use our token yet. So let's create another function. It's not another function, this process update function right here. process update function. We do have the update still. So that update is our request that came from Telegram. So this is the update, and inside the update or inside that message, we do have first chat ID. The chat ID is the user ID that is sending the message. So chat ID update dot message dot chat ID. So that's our chat ID, and then we do have the user text, the text that came from the user. And so user text update dot message dot ID. All right, no, not ID, I'm sorry, here it's a text that we received from the user. So if we will give it a condition right here, if that user text is a command like this, then we will await for another function that is called send message, and that send message had first chat ID and then the text to be sent. Okay, first let me show you how the bot is responding right now. As you see, the bot is not doing anything. When I say start, it is not doing anything. So let's get back to our work, and the message that will be sent is this one: hey there, when a user sends this command, the start command. Okay, let's continue. So we are awaiting for send message function. We already processing the update. Okay, the request registered here, and we save that request as an update right here, and then we are now processing. After processing, the message is the message is slash start. Okay, that message that came from the user is the start message. So now we have confirmed it, and now we are jumping to the next function. We are waiting for this function to be executed. So finally we will have our function, async function. This is async function. This is async function, the send message. When we say async, that we are telling this gonna take time. This gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, so on our send message, we do have chat ID and text. So first we need the address, the URL that we will send. This is the Telegram URL. Let me write it manually. It's a little bit HTTPS Telegram. I'm sorry. API.telegram.org/bot and our bot token. I'm sorry. Token/send message. This is the API and the address that our message will be sent. Okay, so we do have also the body of the message. The body of the message is chat ID and text. This is the body of the message, and then what we left is our final response. So we are responding now. So we are redirecting the fetch function, as you see here. We are redirecting it back to here, to the event listener, to the request. Okay, this was first what? an async function, and now it is on a wait. It is about to be executed. Okay, so it will have the URL, and the method will be what? A post, because we are sending the message as a Telegram post, right? So we are sending the message as a Telegram post, and it will be a post, and then our header will be what it is, our content type. That's our content type is what? It is a JSON, because we are responding to Telegram that this message is a JSON. Okay, so the content type is a JSON because we accepted it as a JSON format. Then finally we will just change that JSON. No, we don't change it, just we will stringify it. Okay, we will stringify it, and we are sending it as a string to Telegram. All right, very good. So I forgot to put a comma right here, and then right here, and this is not a semicolon, stringify. I think you are correct. Okay, so this is it. We already finished our first bot. So as I told you, the request comes from Telegram right here, as you see it right here, and that request is in the fetch function. Then we are awaiting for the request, and we are saving it as an update. We took the request as a JSON format, okay, from Telegram. Telegram sent that request. That request is what? That request has a user text. Okay, we will talk it later. So we saved it as an update, the request. So when we come to process update, we are waiting again for this to be executed. Then the response is okay. From what? From this worker. That it is listening. That's why I said this is an event listener. So the response is okay. So we will jump right to the process update function. Then that message or that update has what? First, chat ID, the user ID, and second, the text that came from the user. And that text, if the user text is a /start text, then we will await for another function to be executed, send message. Okay, everything is okay, but we don't send header yet without this function. So this is a synchronizing an async function, send message. So we do have our URL, and then the body, we already packaged it to send it to Telegram, and then the method is post, and everything is fine. So one final thing is setting a webhook. We didn't connect it to which bot does this worker talk. Like a webhook is like when the user sends the message, and that the Telegram takes it and sends to this worker, and then this worker sends back to Telegram. So we are connecting, we have to connect our bot, our Telegram bot, with this worker. So here is how you can do it. This is the URL that you will use to connect your worker to your Telegram bot. So first you need the bot token, this one here. You can put the bot token in environment variables. So if you want to share it on GitHub, if you are sensitive with that. So webhook URL, and your webhook URL, this one right here. So copy it and then paste it here. So run it. Okay, webhook was set. Result is true. So thank you. Let's go and check our bot if it is working. So we have done everything right here. So everything is now correct. We don't have any error. So deploy our worker. So our version is saved. Let's check it out. When I click start, very good. Start, hey there, start, hey there. That's it. It's easy. This is the steps that you need and that I was needing to watch, because after this one you will just experiment whatever you want. So in the next series videos I will make a tutorial about how you can insert a keyboard, also an inline keyboard, a menu keyboard, and then if you want we will go up to inserting files like image, uh, PDF files if you want to sell digital products, if you want to serve some community. So you need, if you need this, I will make videos on this. So our bot is now working and it's already deployed, and we already hosted our bot. It won't be down. Just if you don't have a high amount of traffic. When you do have that amount of traffic, you will pay $5 per month. For now it is $5 on Cloudflare workers. So this is all about today's video, and if this video helped you much, push that like button. The algorithm likes it. Thank you. Peace out.